Okay, I'm standing in my living room right now, feeling like it needs a makeover. I'm wanting to figure out what I can do to give the space a makeover, but on a very low budget. The obvious is decorating. Number one for me feels like paint the door, right? The second step feels like we should hang some curtains. Before we get started, I just want to put my hair up real quick and then obviously take that opportunity to remind you guys about Hers. Hers is an online health and wellness platform offering everything from FDA approved GLP-1s to in-depth lab testing and personalized treatment plans for menopause, women's mental health, or hair thinning and hair loss. And while I am not personally a patient of hers at this very moment, I do have some experience and it's actually very convenient. There's no insurance required. You can simply go onto the Hers website, fill out their intake form or assessment. You will be partnered with a licensed healthcare professional. Plans are tailored to you, your personal experience, and your personal goals, and can include gummies, pills, serums, and even oral minoxidil, which is an ingredient that can help you to regrow your hair within 3 to 6 months. If medication is recommended, it will ship free directly to your door. From there, you do get access to ongoing 24/7 support to answer any questions, concerns, or just be a resource for you. So if you do happen to be a woman who is needing access to GLP-1s, mental health services, or currently struggling with excessive hair loss and hair thinning, Hers could be a fantastic resource for you. And I will leave a link to their website along with the QR code that should be floating somewhere on the screen around here. Thank you so much to Hers for being such a fantastic resource for women, and thank you for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. Okay, I think this is the best option that I found in my storage closet. It is Sculptor Clay, and it's just this gray-based neutral. So I'm gonna shake this up really well and see what it does for the door.
Silent music and shimmering gold, the strangest feeling about to explode. I held my breath to make sure I didn't say something weird. Light as a feather on weekend knees. What on earth did you do to me? I let you in before I even knew who you were. Your hair was just so golden, 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 and your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. All my dreams are now golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden. A mirror image of my soul. I could see myself, but without the holes. I pinched my arm just to see if you could feel what I feel. We found each other right from the start. A conversation between our hearts. I wanted more, but it was hard to get through your shield. Your hair was just so golden, 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 and your eyes were also.
So at first I was thinking I would just paint the door, but that's looking a little off to me, and I think we have enough paint for the trim as well. So I think I'm gonna do the whole thing, and we'll see how that looks.
Maybe I am wrong, and it's only me, and you didn't feel a thing. But I can't let you go when you're still painting images so deep within my mind, and every night in the shadows of my sleep, I cannot say I love you. let me find you so you can break this spell. Your hair was just so golden, 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 and your eyes were also golden, golden, golden. All my dreams are now golden, golden, golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden, 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 and your eyes were also golden, golden, golden. Golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know.
Okay, what do you guys think? I think I love it. Obviously, it's going to need a second coat, so ignore the patchiness for now. That will get sorted out here in about 30 minutes. I really like the way it looks. I'm already starting to catch the vision for this entryway, so I think while we're waiting for that first coat to dry, we might start working over here. And I'm pretty sure the vision no longer includes this mirror, but it does include this one. Yeah, I think the scale of this one is much better. Here's another angle where you can really see the scale. I do think this fits a lot better for the height of this wall and then also the size of this entryway table. The only thing I might change is if the lamps were just a little bit taller, like maybe coming up to like this point. But we don't have it in the budget today to be replacing 2 lamps, so this will do. Now we'll start working on decorating. Perfect. Now before I can hang the curtains, I think that I need to remove these prints. We have had them here for quite a few years and I love them, but I want to give a really like grand look to this wall since the ceilings kind of slope upwards in this room. So just give the appearance of taller walls over here, and to do that, I want to hang the curtains as high and wide as I can, which means they're going to be coming to about here, and that would be in the way of these prints, so they've got to go. It also means our skinny little console table has seen its last day in this space. These are the curtains that I picked out. I got them from Home Goods. They are room darkening, so they've got like a liner on the back. They were 50 bucks for the 2 panels. It's the Ralph Lauren brand, and they're kind of this like heathered oatmeal look. Here's a better look at the color, if you can see that. I picked these because I think they'll tie in the wall colors with the taupe leather couch, and then our rugs are kind of like a little multicolored, so I think it'll just please everything in the room. But I'm going to string these onto the curtain rod and see how it works out. Fingers crossed, it looks good. Okay, I was wrong. There is no liner and they seem a bit sheer, but that's okay because we have limited light in the house. This is the only window in this room, so sheer can be good. We're still gonna roll with it. Okay, be honest. What do we think of the curtains with the shutters? They definitely add a lot of texture, a little bit of warmth. They're breaking up all of the white on that wall, which is what I wanted. And they're framing the sofa. I feel like maybe they're not as voluminous as I wanted though, if that makes sense. Like they don't look really like thick and lush, more just like a very light material hanging on either side. Well, isn't that a curtain though? Maybe I'm thinking too much about it. You guys give me your honest opinion. Do we love it? Do we hate it? Should we live with it for a couple of weeks, see how we feel after that? Or maybe decorate first and see if it all comes together with the decor? I think that's probably what we should do. It's the natural next step anyway.
Why do you do it? Why do you bring me back around? Make me go through it, only to run me to the ground. Is it that easy? Saying my name to hear the sound. Never release me. It's kept in a box marked lost and found. One of these days I think I'm gonna turn it upside down. That's how it goes when you're running for another's man. That's all I get, just the sweetest thing I never had. I can't regret, even though I may be sad. It's just the sweetest thing I never had. Maybe tomorrow you're gonna see it's your mistake. I know it's hollow, but it's a chance I need to take. Maybe you'll notice, ooh, maybe you'll hear it in my voice. Baby, when I sing it out, you won't have a choice. One of these days I'm not just gonna sing it to myself. That's how it goes when you're running for another's bad. That's all I get, it's just the sweetest thing I never had. I can't regret, even though I may be sad, 'cause you're the sweetest thing I never had. Ooh yeah, maybe I'm all wrong, but maybe that's alright. Oh, 'cause whatever way I try.
Okay, yeah, I love it. The decor definitely brought it all together. Love the vibe. It is so warm and cozy, welcoming, inviting, all of the adjectives that I wanted it to be, while still feeling fresh and lively for the summertime. I do still need to paint the second coat on the door, but I'm just not going to make you watch that all over again, so I'll go ahead and get that done off camera. But other than that, everything came together even better than I could have hoped for, definitely better than I expected, and I'm now feeling comfortable and inspired by this space again. So hopefully you all feel the same, that I was able to share some ideas or quick little DIYs to revamp your space no matter your budget. If you did enjoy today's makeover, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That always helps to support my channel so much, and subscribe if you aren't already, because we do have a lot more indoor and outdoor projects on the schedule for the remainder of the summer, and I don't want you to miss any of those. But this is going to be everything for today, so thanks for hanging out with me, and now let me just share those before and afters.